Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Mania Plus through Netflix. First, make sure you have an active Netflix subscription. Then, download the Netflix mobile app onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and use the search bar to find Sonic Mania Plus. Finally, simply tap to install the game directly from the Netflix application. It's a straightforward process to get started with this fantastic adventure. To ensure a smooth experience, let's talk about device compatibility. Sonic Mania Plus is available on both iOS and Android devices. You'll need about 500 megabytes of free storage space on your device for the game installation. An internet connection is necessary for the initial download and to verify your Netflix account. Also, keeping your device's operating system updated will help ensure the best possible performance while playing. Once the game is installed, launching it is simple. Open your Netflix app and navigate to the dedicated Games section. You'll see the Sonic Mania Plus icon. Just tap it to begin your adventure. The game features intuitive on-screen touch controls for movement and actions. For those who prefer a more traditional gaming feel, you can also connect a compatible Bluetooth controller for an even more immersive experience. Now for some gameplay tips and features. You can explore all 12 vibrant zones, including the exciting new Encore mode. Choose to play as Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, or the new characters Mighty and Ray. Don't forget to collect all 7 Chaos Emeralds to unlock powerful super forms. Enjoy the beautiful classic pixel art and the incredibly smooth 60 frames per second gameplay that makes this title a true gem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.